GameStop explained. Lots of people making lots of money, lots of hedge funds losing money. Wow, everybody loves that. Okay, what exactly is happening? Okay, well, first of all, you've had a series of hedge funds that have shorted GameStop. So this is not unusual. So companies have shorted, lots of people in the past. Tesla's been shorted fairly heavily. So let's explain what they do, however. A hedge fund company goes, this company, its shares are overpriced. So what it does is it sells shares that it doesn't own. Okay, so you have to get your head around that. It doesn't own any shares, it's selling shares in the market. So some stage when the option finishes, it's got to buy those shares back. Okay, if it's buying back that at a lower price, it's making a profit. If it's buying back at a higher price, big losses. So that's what happened. So you've got various hedge funds had gone very short on GameStop. And of course, one particular one, Melvin Capital, super short on it. Everybody knew they were super short on it. So then you've got a range of investors on Reddit. Okay, anti-establishment almost. Let's get the hedge funds. Let's make some money out of this. These guys are going to have to buy this stock back. They've sold stock that they don't own. They've sold a load of it. Okay, options are finishing. That means that share price is going to go up. So what they've then done is they put the word out on social media, and you've had thousands of people, in fact, 1 million plus people ultimately, have gone and bought shares. So that's pushed the price up high. Now the hedge fund, options are finishing, has to buy back the shares that it sold that it didn't own. Get your head around that. Okay, seems crazy, but imagine you've sold them and you don't own anything. You've got to buy them back at the end of the option period. So they're now buying those back at a huge loss. They're buying them back at much more than they sold them for, leading to a couple of hedge fund companies looking like they're completely going out of business. So now, anti-establishment, all of a sudden, if you can see what people are shorting and you go in the opposite direction and you get a mass of the population to go with you, then guess what? You can force these financial services companies to buy back. You can force these companies to lose a fortune and potentially make money. But just remember, last one in loses. So it's all right saying that. If you're early on and you're buying those shares before they start to go up, okay, then you're making lots of money. If you're buying in at the end and you don't know when the end is, perhaps the hedge fund's already bought back the shares that it has to buy back, and you're still buying your last one in, and then the share price crashes because really the company's worthless. Okay, guess what? Then you're losing money. So I put out a press release basically after being asked some questions saying ordinary individuals should be super careful. It's a pun. It's like going to the betting office. It's like going to the bookies. Is it investing? I'm actually going to go that it's gambling. Okay, I'm not saying you shouldn't have a gamble, you shouldn't have some fun, but just remember that's what you're doing. You're gambling. You're putting some money in and it's super speculative. I know this movement, because we don't want to make money. We just want to take down these companies that have made all this money in the past. We want our fair share. It's similar to people that want Bitcoin, etc., because they want decentralization. They don't want to be controlled by governments and by the big banks. Okay, so there's movement. All right, again, if you're in early, you could be making some money. If you're in at the end, you're losing money. Okay, will the SEC step in? Well, who's giving advice? Okay, who's manipulating the market? Will they stop it? Robinhood stopped shares being bought. Is that fair? Okay, is it? They were protecting people, don't want the last one in to lose money. But okay, it's an app at the end of the day. Should they just let people speculate if they want to and just put out the necessary notices? Really controversial. Hopefully I've explained that clearly. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you want more detailed explanation, you want to know more about it, let me know. Please put a comment. Please share the video so other people get to understand it and then decide if, what they think. Should it be regulated or should they join the movement? Please share the video, please like, and of course, I know that I'm going to get criticized because it's that type of movement. Someone's going to have a go at me. Okay, that's life. I've tried to explain it as best I can. Please subscribe to the channel on a regular basis. I'll try and clearly put out good information so you can make your own mind up. Motivation, market information, what I think's happening in the financial world. I'm never scared to give my opinion. Okay, please give yours. Thanks for watching.